People tell me they fail. Get ready to write this down, guys. This is gold. People tell me they fail for two reasons. The first one is that they underestimated how much time to put into the preparation. And then they fail, then they come back the next year and then put in the time required and then they pass. Okay, it's one reason. Another reason is the time constraint. It's 1 mark per minute. If you get a 5-mark question, it's 5 minutes. If you spend 7 minutes on that 5-mark question, there is no way in the world you are going to get 7 out of 5. It's just not going to happen. I had a candidate years ago. He said, Pete, it's not as if I didn't know the answers. It was just not possible to do it in the time. And his example was this. He said, it is as if they said to me, write down the 26 letters of the alphabet and you have 3 seconds to do it. That was his example. Okay. So my advice is to